Right-click Windows, click Terminal Admin, type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Press Enter, type sfc/scan now, press Enter. Search and click Graphic Settings, enable the three following options. Search and click gpedit.msc, navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components and App Privacy. Double-click Let Windows Apps Run in the background. Select Enabled. Under Default for all apps, select Force Deny, click Apply and OK. Search and click powercfg.cpl, select the high performance power plan from your processor or the default high performance power plan. Search and click View Advanced Display Info. Under Choose a Refresh Rate, select the highest available. Right click on the desktop and personalize, click Colors, disable Transparency Effects. Search and click Optimize Drives, select C, click Optimize. Search and click Check for Updates, install all available updates.